What's going on YouTube? It's your boy K's Clips here with my very first tiny home build. But I'm not going to be talking much on this build because I don't have good audio. I'm working on getting a mic, and hopefully the support I get from this video can contribute to that. But that being said, everything else is self-explanatory, and I will be leading you guys along the way with fabulous subtitles. So y'all just pay attention, stay tuned, like, and subscribe. Day 2 of building a tiny home. I've been kind of busy because of this project right here. This is going to be a major project for not only me learning, but it's also going to be a crazy project for content in itself. Today, as you can see, we got down the floor, and then we're going to move on to the next step. What that next step is, I don't know exactly. Stick with me for the ride, and hopefully y'all enjoy. I'll have short form versions of this on TikTok, and the full version is going to be on my YouTube channel, so y'all check it out. So we're building the wheel caps for the walls. And this part was kind of confusing to me, so D handled most of this part, and I just filmed and assisted for the most part. But we figured it out, busted out, and moved on to the next step, which was framing our walls. So side note here, we started framing on the trailer itself, as you can see, but realized that it was smarter to just frame on the ground and then carry the wall over to the trailer and attach it like that. at the beginning of framing our roof. And what I'm currently working on is this is going to be the part that holds our main center rafter. So yeah, continue to enjoy. So now that we got that center beam up and that is nice and secured in place, we are now building the rafters to connect to that center beam so that we can get our roof up and finished before this snowstorm comes. So as you can see me here, I have a template that I'm using to cut out all the rest of the rafters. And then from there, we're just gonna crank it out. Like and subscribe. So if you ask me, the roof is coming together pretty nice. We got the center beam in, we got the rafters in, we got these support beams that I'm getting ready to install. I'm happy with the progress so far. I wanted to mention that by no means is this a tutorial video. This is just me documenting my first build on a tiny home, though I do intend on recording tutorial videos for future builds. So like and subscribe for that and continue to enjoy the process, because I definitely enjoyed the process all the way through. Okay, in this project, we've come a long way in the race to beat this snowstorm and get this tiny home closed in and protected, which will mark the end of part 1 of this build, which I'm super excited for. So bear with me, we're almost there, y'all. One more time, like and subscribe. Alright, y'all, this was one of my favorite parts of the build. Not only was it super easy, but it was super satisfying at the same time. We slapped these wall panels up really quickly, really easily, and I just hope that y'all enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. This is that final push to finally getting her closed in and getting the windows and the doors installed. But we're one step closer with putting these wall panels up, so y'all stay tuned.
I've been waiting for so long, but I don't really mind. In the meantime, I've been giving you loving. Order your gorgeous heart, water your garden, water, giving you loving. Order your garden, I know, popping my all in. Water, hydration on your flower, blossom for me. Hydrangeas at this hour. How could I sleep knowing that you bloom now? And your garden's full of love. I don't know my way around it, but I'm ready to know. Let it be surprise.
We have finally made it right in the nick of time, right before the snowstorm. As you can see, we got the roof on, we got the window in. We only got one window installed, but that is for part 2, where we'll be painting this guy, installing the door, the rest of the windows, and getting started on the inside. So thanks for the support. Thanks for rocking with me this long, and stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and follow your boy. Turn on those noties as well, so you know next time I post, next time I go live, or any of those things. It's up from here, y'all. Skill builds, case clips, and I am out.